Welcome to the Fishing Buddies. Today we're going to visit IKEA and find some of the top RV must-haves. Stick around. We love IKEA. We've been shopping there since our early 20s, and although our home now is mostly filled with priceless antiques and museum-quality artifacts, you can really get a lot of great items from IKEA for your RV, and we are going to show you a few of those today. A great buy is this Vakshan bath mat at only $2.99, and what I kind of like about it is it's small. It'll fit in your tiny RV bathroom with room to spare. They come in multiple colors. You can get them in the store. You'll also find them online, although they're a little higher in price. You can see here they're only 16 by 24. They're cheap enough that what I do is I get about 3 or 4 of them at a time, and as they wear out over a period of a few months due to washings, I simply toss them and purchase new one. But a great tool from IKEA. Lots of folks prefer the space-saving coat hangers that you'll find in many RV stores as well as stores like Home Goods. We actually prefer the boomerang wooden coat hangers from IKEA. They're only $4.49 for an 8-pack. We actually use these in our home as well, and they really just keep our clothes in better shape and look a lot nicer in the closet. So highly recommend these, not only for your home but for your RV. Recognize that many of you may have tons of clothes, but you know, don't use those little skinny coat hangers, and God forbid, no wire coat hangers either. The IKEA series of lack tables are classic in the IKEA repertoire. This table at only $29.99 is perfect for an RV. It's easy to put together, it's functional, and most importantly, for us at least, it fits the space. Highly recommend it. IKEA makes these incredible scub organizers mainly for their closet systems and their bedroom furniture. We find that they fit perfectly in the RV overhead bins, and we use them to organize our plates, our glassware, and miscellaneous kitchen items. One of the best deals at IKEA is this Induction Cooktop. Using induction instead of the propane that comes by default with most RVs allows you to not heat up your rig when you're cooking. Further, items come to temp faster. Do keep in mind you're going to need induction-capable cookware to get this to work. But I'll tell you, it's worth every penny. Oh, we got ours at Costco. I spent a lot more. So there you have it, the top items from IKEA for your RV. IKEA, of course, is a wonderful source of items, so if you do have the opportunity to visit one on your travels, I recommend it. You're not going to be disappointed. They do offer web shopping and shipping, so if you live very far away from an IKEA, kind of hard to say there, they will ship directly to you. Tons of additional ideas are available on Pinterest as well as various IKEA forums. They're all around the world, so there's lots of information on this incredible store for you to peruse. Anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for listening. Like and subscribe because, of course, everybody has to say that. And come back and see us next time. Have a great day.